Welcome to my little kitchen. Today we'll be making jelly chocolate. They're very delicious and very easy to make. And please make them this Diwali. And please give them to your friends and family.
The ingredients required to make jelly chocolates are chocolate tray. These are jellies, dark compound chocolate, milk compound chocolate, and some wrapping paper. Now let's melt the chocolate. We've taken a pan in which I've kept some water. Once the water is hot, you can keep any pan in it. Now let's put the dark chocolate and the milk chocolate, and let's mix it together, and in another 5 minutes it will melt. Our chocolate has melted. Give it a nice mix. Now we are going to put little chocolate in the. Now we'll place one jelly in each mold. Friends, make them for your near and dear ones. They are very yummy and they taste delicious. Now we are going to cover them with chocolate. Do make them for your friends and your family members this Diwali. It's a perfect gift when you go to their houses. Now let's tap the tray. And we'll be keeping this in the fridge for another 10 minutes. Remove the tray from the fridge and now let's demold the chocolates. Yes, they have become perfectly fine. Now we'll wrap them. Our jelly chocolates are ready. Share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Bye.